Hello everyone, welcome to one more video of Special Biotonic, a channel to make biology's subject easy. Today we'll talk about spermatogenesis. The word spermatogenesis is derived from two words. One is sperma and second is genesis. Here the genesis refers to the formation. So we can define spermatogenesis as the formation of sperm. Similarly, in females, the formation of ovum is called as oogenesis. These two processes are collectively called as gametogenesis. The type of cell division in gametogenesis is meiosis. This process occurs in germ cells of primary sex organs. The primary sex organs are testes in males and ovaries in females. In males, the sperm production starts at the age of around 14 to 15 years. It is called as spermarche. And the age at which the sperm production stops is called as male climacteric. So let us talk about spermatogenesis in detail. As said earlier, in males, the testes are the primary sex organs which contain germ cells. These germ cells undergo repeated mitotic divisions to form spermatogonia, which in turn form primary spermatocytes. Each primary spermatocyte is diploid in nature and undergo meiosis I to form two secondary spermatocytes. They are haploid in nature. Each secondary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis II to form two spermatids, which in turn form sperms. So from one primary spermatocyte, 4 sperms are produced. Students, the formation of sperms from primary spermatocyte is called as spermatogenesis, whereas the conversion of spermatid to sperm is called spermiogenesis. Let us understand this process by using these diagrams. Here, germ cells divide by mitosis to form spermatogonia, which in turn forms primary spermatocytes. One primary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis I to form two secondary spermatocytes. Each secondary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis II, which is also called as equational division, to form two spermatids, which in turn form sperms. So from one primary spermatocyte, 4 sperms are produced. The mathematical formula for number of sperms formed is 4n, where n is the number of primary spermatocytes. Let us take one example. Here the question is, how many sperms are produced from 10 primary spermatocytes? Here the formula is number of sperms is equal to 4n and n is 10. Therefore, 10 primary spermatocytes will form 10 into 4, that is 40 sperms. Now, how many primary spermatocytes are required for production of 100 sperms? I request you all to give the answer in comment section below. So students, I hope you are clear with the concept of spermatogenesis. At the end, I request you all to like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Stay home, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.